There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. This place was brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. This place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying if you care enough for the living. Make a better place for you and for me. There's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares for joyful giving. We try, but you'll see, in this bliss we cannot feel. We're afraid to stop existing and start living.